everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive sorry you can't view or download error. So to start, you need to open the file that you want to download. Next, click on File at the top left. Down here, click on Add to Start. After that, we need to open the Google Drive. And next, tap on New at the top left. Next, tap on New Folder. Name your folder. Tap on Create. Now, once created, you need to go to Start at the left side. Now, locate the file that you want to download. Click on the three dots and click on Organize. Now, click on Add Shortcut. Next, you need to go and select the folder we just created. So it's the sample folder, right? Now, once you click that, tap on Add at the bottom right. Now, once added, you need to go to My Drive. Next, once you click on My Drive, you need to find the folder we just created. So it's this sample folder and click the three dots next to it. So you have a lot of options here. What you need to do is to click on download and it will download that file into a zip file. So as you can see, it's now preparing, and once it's downloaded, you can then go ahead and open that. So it's done. Let's click on open file, click on the folder, and as you can see, this is where you can see your downloaded file. And that's basically it. I hope that helps, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.